Alright, I was gonna hang out with my friend today, but she never got back to me on whether or not she was available while I was down this way, so her loss. So now I'm just taking a bit of a detour to go to the Asian grocery store because I need some katsuobushi, some spicy noodles, like some of those Korean like meme noodles, and some ramen because I'm a weeaboo. You probably could have figured out I was a weeb when I was like I want to get the katsuobushi so I can make fucking cat rice. It's so easy to make and it's so good. But yeah, this isn't such a crazy detour that it would put like extra wear and tear on my brakes that wouldn't already get put on there. Like, cause I'm waiting. I really need to call the dealership back tomorrow and see if those pads came in or if they had them. They never let me know. Can you hear like my collar smacking into my helmet? I need to get on top of putting those snaps on. That would be a pretty stellar addition to this vest to keep it from doing that. How do you like my dinosaur shirt? Everybody calls me Miss Frizzle when I wear it. I think it's cute. I got it on Amazon. It was like 20 bucks. If anyone is interested, it takes a while to get here. I think it's made somewhere in China because it smelled like fucking paint thinner when I pulled it out of the bag. But like one wash and that was gone. I kind of want to get a cat. But I already like impulse bought a treadmill, and Zach would kill me if I came home with an unsolicited kitty. So we're gonna hold off on that. Like, I constantly ask them, can I get a kitty? Can I get this idiot baby? Can I get one of those single-celled organisms that we see on the meme compilations? And they're constantly like, no. And I kind of pout. It's a cute back and forth. Ooh, damn. They didn't have a good time now, did they? There's like broke glass and all sorts of shit over there in the bike lane. It's sketchy as hell. Ooh, this is a weird angle to stop at. I gotta like fucking like sidle off of the bike practically. Like, I'm a short bitch. Like, I mean, I guess I'm like average height for a woman in the United States, maybe a little taller. But I'm still short. Like, I have to like tippy toe on just about every bike I'm on except for like a cruiser. And even then, I'm barely flat footing it. Like, I'm 5'7"-ish. 5'6", 5'7", somewhere in there. So like, I'm basically average height, but like a little bit up there. You know, I kind of tower over some of my friends. And you know, that's by no fault of my own. It's just genetics got me here. And then again, a lot of the like other women around here are like fucking 5'2", 5'3". Shit, my cousin is 4'8". 4'8". She's damn near 30, and they card her everywhere she goes because she's the size of a 12-year-old. Oh, what are we doing? What are we doing? Why are you braking so fucking aggressively? Ooh, damn, that's a bike killer. Or at least a wheel killer. Probably a fork bender, too. Gotta pay extra close attention down here. I have to save money to do like basic maintenance on this motherfucker. I can't handle a repair like that. I'm not like Life of Birch or like Yammy Noob or somebody got like 18 fucking motorcycles. Nah, I can't just put one in the garage and hope for the best. Okay, well, I'm gonna just do this then. See ya. I'm not gonna sit there and wait because they weren't going the same way I was when I've got enough space to make it through, you know? You know, it doesn't get better. These roads don't get better. That's a nice fucking bike. What is that? What is that? Damn, that is nice. The Save-A-Lot already turned into something else. That'd be smug as shit if I was that dude on that bicycle. Especially if there was like a crazy like toit traffic jam down here. Toit, like a toy car. You just ride right by it when it's at a standstill. It's crazy. Like half the time when I'm down here and I'm on this, and nobody's looking, nobody important, at least I'll hit the bike lane if it's like that. I don't give a fuck, dude. I'm not gonna sit here and have a fucking heat stroke. We are almost to where we need to be. We're like 1 block away from the turn I need to make. My dude in the Hummer was on a fucking mission. I'll give it a minute. I don't trust this shit. It even tells me not to, so I'm gonna listen to the sign for once, because I can't see a fucking thing. When did this happen? I think it might have always been like this, and I just don't remember. Yeah, I was always like this. That deli is ran by a cult. There's videos all about them all over YouTube. They're called the 12 Tribes. They like fucking abduct people and put them into slave labor and shit. It's wild. Just check it out. Also, don't fuck with the Yellow Deli if you ever come here. It's like, the food is good, but like, you're gonna be supporting that, and I don't think you want to do that. I think I'm gonna turn some music on until I get there. I'll see you in a bit.
20 minutes later.
I was not paying attention. I got a bigger gap coming though.
Not much later.
My camera's probably gonna die before I get back to the house, so yeah, I'm probably gonna call it here, but not before highly recommending this place. One of the people who works here, he's an older man, probably middle age, came out and helped me repackage my stuff. It was pretty cool. He saw I was on a bike and he helped. Asian Food and Gifts of Chattanooga, that's the one. Oh, they went to the car wash. They're all wet, moist. I know a lot of people don't like that word. Moist. Moist. Moist.